tables and chairs are all set up.
And so is the play kitchen.
Oh, great! Then we're ready to play restaurant. I want to be the cook.
No, I want to be the cook. I think I should be.
What?
Maybe we could all be the cook.
Oh, great idea! Yes.
Let's cook.
Oh, right. Okay, I need to go. No,
It's
excuse
okay.
me.
I just-
I need to go back to the
I need
oven.
this pan to simmer.
This seems like a very busy kitchen.
Mommy, we all want to be cooks for our new restaurant.
Yeah, but it's not really working.
Oh, maybe you need a new way of looking at things. This is such a nice restaurant. I'm sure there are many important jobs to do.
Mommy, do you want to, eat in a restaurante?
See, I would love to.
Oh, that's wonderful. You can sit right over here.
Oh, give her the best seat.
There you go.
Gracias.
De nada.
So what do you have to eat here?
Oh, it's all on the menu, Mommy, right here.
Oh, bien. You are a good hostess.
I am?
See, and hostess is a very important job in a restaurant.
Oh, well, I am the hostess.
My, everything on this menu sounds delicious. How do I order food?
You can tell Elmo what you would like, and Elmo will write it down so he does not forget.
Good idea. You make a very good server, Elmo. Another important restaurant job.
Yay! Elmo's a server! Oh. Good morning, ma'am. What will we be having today?
Oh, well, I will have an avocado toast. Avocado toast.
How do you spell it?
Avocado?
Elmo's just going to draw it, okay?
Gracias.
And I'll be the cook and get your food ready. That's an important job, too.
Okay, Abby. 1 order of avocado toast.
All right, coming right up.
Great.
Oh, fantastico. Oh, you see, Rosita, once you found a new way of looking at things, you could see there are lots of roles to play in a restaurant. And each one is important.
See, Mommy.
Food's ready.
Okay, Elmo will bring it to the customer. Okay, ma'am. Your avocado toast.
Ay, muchas gracias, Elmo.
De nada.
¡Qué delicioso!
Do you like a restaurante, Mommy?
Oh, yes. I give it 5 stars.
Stars!